Hi, in this video I will show how to convert Excel file to VCF or iCard format. So basically this is my website. I will left link on this website into description. To find app, I'll click on search and type VCF. I'll get list of all VCF apps, and I'm looking for this XLS to VCF. Now to download app, I'll double click on download button to start downloading process and click on downloaded archive. Double click on MSI to start installation and click on more info. I'm getting this screen because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway and click next install and click yes and finish on the last screen. And you can see app has been installed to my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now, my goal is to convert my contacts Excel file I have to VCF format. VCF is like electronic business cards format, so it's widely used in Android phone or Apple or like Mac OS, and it can be sent over internet, and Gmail understands it. So basically I want to convert this Excel file into VCF files. So I will close this Excel file, because the way that Excel works, it blocks all files as it currently open. This is how Microsoft do it, so no other app can access it. So I'll close this Excel file and double click on shortcut of app I installed. Now conversion is 3 steps process. On first step I'll have to select input file. Click here to select input file, then select my contacts Excel. Click on next step. Excuse me. Now I have to specify options. So I can save all data from my Excel file into one file, one VCF files. So it could be useful for a website. For example, I have a link on VCF file for entire organization on my website, and when user click on Android phone and download this file and add it to its phone system, it automatically add the entire organization to his contact list, and he can contact anybody from the list. Or I can convert to many files, and it will create separate file for every contact name. So I can place all these files on my website, and user can search and find specific person he wants to contact and download VCF files for that specific person without adding entire organization to his phone. Now let's do one file, and it will be one VCF files. Next thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna map data I have into my Excel file to VCF columns. Now I have to specify what is first name column. Remember this Excel? I can open it back again. So in Excel file, first row has column names, like first name, last name, organization, URL, preferred phone, email, and after that there is a data. So my first name column will be first name, last name, and so on. I have to specify it here. So you may have a different Excel file, but here you have to specify what is corresponding for first name, and I will select and say first name is corresponding for last name, organization, job title. I don't have it, so I can leave it as it is. Phone, preferred phone, mobile, maybe preferred phone too, and email column, email, home page, maybe URL. And I don't have other columns, and that's okay. I'll just click next step and click on run to create file. Now I have to specify name of the file. I can say my organization and just click save. And now I have entire organization into VCF files. I can go and open it with I can open it with my Vcf Viewer. It's another app I have created, and it shows what's inside Vcf files. I will leave a link on this app too. It just showing what is inside Vcf files, and I can export into different format if you want, Vcf files specifically. Or I can open it with a Windows contact and have information for every name, and so this is name, organization. What it's gonna do, it's gonna show me, like I have 13 names there, and Windows will keep showing me all the names. So if I hit cancel another name, cancel another, and it will show all 13 of them. And I can see cell is here, organization, phone, website is here, and so on. So, excuse me. And it's gonna show me all 13 into this Vcf file. So let's go and quickly, let's go and select many files. Yep, I can select many files for that. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna create specific folder, right, for this. So files will be, let's create new folder in out, we'll call Vcf test. And then we're gonna select many files, click on next tab, click on run, and now it's asking me to specify folder, because will be a lot of files in there, like depending how many files I can accelerate this. So I'll select my documents and out, put folder, yeah, this one, and Vcf test, and click OK, and you can see it will create Vcf file for every contact. And now if I go there, double click, now I can open with Windows contact, and you can see all data, Agnes, Kendall, test organization, phone number, website, cell, everything is here. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions about the app, please let me know in comments. Thank you.